Are you struggling to eat well while working in a stressful job? If so, you are not alone. Healthy eating is one of the toughest things to do when you're constantly surrounded by quick and easy junk food. When you are under the pump at work, and you need something to eat, it's so easy to just grab whatever available from the nearest convenience store. While it fills the gap, the big problem with having an unhealthy lunch is that you often feel sluggish in the afternoon. And by the end of the day, you're exhausted, dehydrated, and hungry. And if you add up what you're spending each week on junk food, you'll be shocked by just how much money you are throwing away. What you really need is an easy way to take all the hassle out of eating healthy at work, without having to hire a personal chef. That's why today, we're thrilled to announce our brand new, Keto Health 101, YouTube channel. Here at Keto Health 101, we're always busy working on our new range of multiple healthy videos every day, so that you can live a fresh and healthy life, by losing the extra weight you might be carrying, or better, gaining some pounds to maintain your body's health. Not just that, we share healthy foods, recipes, and natural home remedies that are not only beneficial in keeping your body healthy, but also work great for your mental health, keeping you out of depression and anxiety. You can add them up to your diet to maintain a healthy lifestyle. Believe us, your body will thank you for making a healthy change for the better. So, subscribe to your own healthcare channel, Keto Health 101, now and keep yourself up to date with your health on the go.